This story is from China. A tiger has three cubs. Two of them are girls. One of them is a boy. He is older than the sisters. Their mother stops feeding them. The cubs need a new mother. Their new mother is a dog. The tigers are having a great time. They like their new family. They play with their new brothers and sister. They love the game of ball. The cubs are very cute. Everybody likes them. They are stars. Sadly, everything has an end. They cannot play forever. They will meet their real parents again soon.